Now, let's talk about their sweeping abilities, and let's start with Vincent, the handsome one. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movement of their broad flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal sweep. Nice and easy. Thank you, Vincent and trainer Johnny. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to... Ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour! That is so fast! How about a round of applause for Sandra? That's sexy, yeah! Wow, nice glide, girl! And another one! She deserves it! Now, here's